2, 3. Let's play a game of how many times I will sneeze in one video.
Enjoy our compilation that you all wanted. If you can get the right answer of how many times I've sneezed in this one video, you will get a shout out in my next video, so get counting. Oh my gosh. Oh my I'm not sick, but I was okay. I don't. Oh god. I don't know. I'm not making it, by the way. Oh my god. Is every recorder gonna have me? Someone help me. Oh god. Okay. Oh my god. Did I just... Okay. I think I'm just gonna go now. Is it possible to have ticks that are sneezes? Ow, my toe. Okay guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't understand why you guys wanted this for a very long time, but it's just kind of all how it started. I had a vlog that went up. It was vlog 28. I can't stop sneezing because I sneezed a bunch of times in one video. I don't know why this happens. I think it has a lot to do with my hormonal outbursts, like the way my body works. I'm not sick. It's something to do with like an allergic reaction in my body. Nothing in my house that I'm allergic to though. So we don't know. It's not contagious, nothing like that. Just keep that in mind. It's just something that I have. It's really weird, and I'm gonna maybe post next of how many times I can sneeze in one video. I know it's something else that a lot of people want, but for now, I hope you enjoyed this sneezing compilation, and see you guys soon.